I'm now reproducing these fuel door license plate handles for your 1977 to 79 Cadillac Coupe de Ville, Sedan de Ville, and Fleetwood. Most people don't even know that these are missing because when they fuel up, they just pull the license plate down. But these handles were original equipment that came with your car. They go right here. So you can pull down the license plate to fuel in comfort and convenience. Just take the license plate off. Push the handle in. Screw the screw in, put the license plate on, and now you have Cadillac comfort and convenience, just like the original, just the way it came off the showroom floor.